Hey guys, Marlon with Cypress Computers here, and today we're taking a look at the build that I was talking to you a few days ago on the H500i build. It's running the i7-9700K processor, latest generation, and then you can also put the i9-9900K, which is an 8-core 16-thread processor. It's a beast of a processor. This unit comes with 16 gigs of RAM. You got the nice NZXT RGB cracking on it. You get the Asus RTX2070 dual fans on it, and you can take a look at how thick this is to take all of that heat out. You're gonna have the fan on top and the fan in the back that I mentioned earlier. We are running a flying simulator, and we will be going to the Katy High School science event this Saturday, so you can come with us and have a look at what the performance of this unit can do. We are going to be flying the SR-71 Blackbird flying jet. If you have any questions on this build or any other type of computers, please give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.